On. I had so much I thought I was going to get done this week, but a lot of things slowed me down, and it's getting dark. That's the story of my life. But let me show you what I have gotten done, and it's a fiddly thing that just really wasn't fun and didn't sound fun to me, but it has to get done before I can put a roof up here. And you know, you probably can't see it, but I reinforced.
The orange one come to you, run.
Oh, hello, sweetie. Hello, brown Betty. Oh, I know.
She always come to you, yeah?
Yeah, she does. I came near. They're all coming near me because half the time I walk in here and they're out there, I'm probably going to give them a treat. And maybe I should show that to you. I'll show that to you, then I will tell you what I did here that I had to get done. There you go. All right. So we have a big chest here full of our things. And it is very messy back here. Sorry, cameraman. But look, let's see what they love. Yep. Once you start feeding them these things, it doesn't bother you. I wonder, here, hand me the camera just a minute so I can show them and you don't have to crawl through this crazy. So, where are we? There. Okay, right there. We had a lot of electric stuff. It was kind of hanging all over. And I have to work in that corner. So I have made the electric stuff go up there. Easy to access and do everything we need to do with it. Right?
Mice, right there, I see mice. Right?
Oh, mice. Yeah, we have a mouse problem.
So it's running from there under the rock. And please, Stephanie, go.
We do have cayenne pepper in our chicken feed. And I actually have not seen the mice eat the chicken feed, and I've seen them a lot.
Don't. It's kelp. And if, guys, you have problem, this.
Cayenne pepper. That's why.
Inexpensive.
And I put cayenne pepper in it.
Chickens does not taste this.
They can't taste it. It doesn't hurt them. And mice hate it. Doesn't really hurt. It hurts them as much as it hurts us, you know.
Your grandpa used to eat.
Yeah, it's good for your heart. He was 90. So, back to the worms. Let's see what's going to happen with them.
Anyway, time for them to go in the coop.
Yep. Come on, chicks. Not Percy. Come on, chicks. Come on, let's go. Out, Persephone. Out, Persephone. I know, go. Come on, let's go. I have put the tree branches in here on purpose.
She's attacking me.
Oh no! Yeah, occasionally we have people who like to rev their... Yes, I know. I got the treats. Look. See? They get excited. Okay, there you go. Now, if they're not like overexcited, she's really gentle. It doesn't look like it, but she doesn't. She's careful about not pecking me. She's our oldest, Gladys. Yeah? Yep, she's almost eaten them all. There you go. Things for the flies. The thing that I did here. I reinforced the foundation. And I don't know, I'll flash a picture of what this looked like before I reinforced it, but it sagged a little bit. And so to put the roof in, I wanted this to be better. I'm gonna put planter boxes here on both sides. The roof will go there. I have been raking that out just gradually, but you can't tell, except that the rake's there because the chickens, look at this, they're just, I had this straight. I had it all straight. And they just, so yeah, that's kind of cool. It is, it's interesting. And they're happy, look at that. This is a good view. With their branch there, it looks very pretty. And it makes me happy. Can't wait till I have it finished. I have ideas for decorating the outside of the chicken coop that will look good. But yeah, I reinforced that, and it was last Friday, and it was a little bit too much for my ribs and my core, so I really had to rest a lot more this week. And I also had some desk work I had to do. So yeah, just not quite as much done, but I got some help from my youngest, and he cut down a lot of the weed trees. A lot. And the apple trees and plum trees free. One thing that I'm doing as I walk the yard every morning is we have some weeds that I really don't want here. These ones right here, I actually don't care about. We can step on them and they come back up. I don't care about having a perfect lawn, but I do want it all to be green and soft. So that's good. The only problem though is I do like grass. And I think these things crowd out the grass. Some weeds actually put out hormones that won't let other kinds of plants grow. And so that's not very nice. But you'll see here, it looks messy right here because these weeds, you know, the grass is not there. These plants grow better in the drought situations than grass does. But you can see this whole area, I've taken weeds out. This area, I've taken weeds out all across here. And as I landscape this, I have a difficulty. I wonder if we can see it when it's this dark, but look at this. This is a dog track. Originally, the dog track was like here, but he likes the soft stuff, and so it goes wider and gets on the grass, and I don't know. Yeah. Oh, to run like that? Yeah, it's when we play water play. We'll show you that one time, but not right now. Whoops. And that one liked to dig when she was a puppy. So I'm gonna have to fill in some spots. She's not doing it anymore. And the swimming pool is for the dogs, for the border collie. We change it like every couple days, but it still gets super messy. And speaking of messes, today I just decided I do not like it. It's ugly. And it was irritating me every time I saw this pile of this mess. And so, ta-da! Remember how this was just a pile of junk wood? First it was weed trees from last year. I'm going to be able to use that for my hugelkultur. That's hugelkultur beds. I'm going to be able to use those for that. And I tried to fix this, but that's an ongoing saga, and I've been recording myself with it. We'll see if that works out, because I can just chip the wood up and be able to compost it. That'll be better. And that is what I have been getting done this week. Besides, I am keeping my kitchen like kind of clean, you know. And I've been cleaning up my room. I've been like taking care of a lot of little things in the house. And it's been a good week. And I just got rained on. One drop. If you want to see this transform, and I'm going to end up back in my house in a few weeks, decluttering. And this was definitely a big declutter in the backyard, because I actually went to the dump today. I forgot to say that. I went to the dump and dumped that off. Subscribe and like, and if you're as happy about this being gotten rid of as I am, hit that like button.